Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel All in One. Today we will discuss about a very horrible accident secondary school student Grace Keep car accident video. Grace Keep car accident Highland Park. So before start our video, if you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates about our channel. So let's begin our video. Secondary school student Grace skip car accident is a horror accident which we look forward to get news from very reliable sources. So you get touch with us to get latest updates about this accident. Wait for the upcoming news. Goodbye.